Hello everyone, this is Oda Academy. Today I will show you how to create a simple bar chart using Stata. So before that, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will show you how to create this beautiful bar chart using Stata. So let me open a Stata file. This is my Stata file. Let me open from my computer. So this is the unopened Stata. As you can see, this is the interface of Stata. We have different menus here. So I wanted to download an dataset from Stata. Let me click paste this link, then enter. So this is the variable list based on this link. Stata will extract from the system this dataset. So in order to see the variables as well as the data, like this, you can see there is a college grade, marital status, married, single, race, age, and the like. So how we can create a bar chart? The first step is to go click on graphics, click on bar. So for this purpose, let me select mean. If you want, you can select median or other descriptive statics. So I will select wage. Wage is a scale variable and a continuous variable. So when I will select the statics mean, should have to select some scale variables or continuous variables. So click submit to have this dialog box. Then I will stay on this dialog box. So this is the mean of the wage. So I am creating a bar graph. So I need to disaggregate using the categorical variables. So to do that, let me go back to my dialog box. This one, then I will click on category. The first category I want to select is race. Then just let me continue with the race first. This is the race like this. You can see white, black, and others. So I can use another categorical variable. So I can use second one, college grade. College grade is a categorical variable. So I will click submit. So as you can see, those who attended the college grade and those who do not attend this college grade by race. The other one is in terms of the third variables. Let me use. I have different variables here. Let me use in terms of union participation. Then click submit. So now based on union members and non-union members categorized with college grades and not college grades with the rest is beautiful bar graph you can create using Stata latest version, which is Stata 18. So based on this, you can create a simple bar chart. But if you want, you can use syntax. This means, as you can see, this one is your syntax. Let's use graph bar for wage over race over college grade or over union. So in order to do that, just graph bar, just comma over race space over college grade. That means this one. not grade, college grade. The other one is over union. Using this syntax, union, yeah. Then click enter. So as you can see, the college, non-college, based on non-union and the union, you can use this one. Based on this, you can create. But what I forget is to add here, I used just graph bar over race, over college, over union. But you can mention this one like I did before. Let me use this one, graph bar of me. Like this, if you click, I can use just to use. Let me submit this one again. Click OK. Graph bar over which the issue is I didn't use which. Graph mean, or instead of using this one, click enter. So this one is the graph. I just forget to use the which, the first graph bar which, comma, over rest, over college grade, over you. Just I said bar only. So based on this, you can create a simple bar chart using Stata. Thank you for watching.